Hello again. New day, new challenges. I've been thinking about this last night, and basically there's the gear shift mechanisms which is controlled by the shaft coming here from the other side. This one here. So the problem is somewhere after the shaft, because the shaft is moving, so we need to get access behind the clutch. So we need to remove the clutch, and that means probably also removing this. This is the clutch. What is this? Pressure plate system. I don't know. We'll find out. That's basically where we are at the moment. So I'll probably have a look on the, if I find any manuals or examples how to explode that. Yeah. There's a tight gap over here. If I try to pull this, can it come through here? It has to come, because this is behind this. So let's open that lock and go from there. I kept wondering and measuring the nut, and I was puzzled to how this 32 and 30 didn't make sense, but here's the explanation. This is 32 and this is also 32. So at some point I have mixed two sets of sockets, so I went shopping. I was afraid there was a special tool needed for this, but luckily no. Is it reverse? Or is this extension too much? You cannot fit here. What do you think? Could it be reverse threaded? Well, it's spinning at the opposite direction than this, so probably it is. So let's try to turn it clockwise. No. Damn it. Just a moment, I'll find out which one it is before I broke it totally. Nice. Yeah, I just needed a bit of confidence on giving it the full power. Did you notice that there was some metal piece topping here? This might be from the locking plate. Let's see. Yeah, luckily. Okay, now we have some access here. Let's move this away. Actually, I need to also take these. Oh shit, I was hoping to pull this through here, but it's held between the blocks. Is that supposed to turn this? Feels like the gears themselves are will not. They are moving. You always need a bigger tool. I think there is something that shouldn't be there. Can you see it? Can I get with the magnet? Is it? Oh. It's a pin. Question is where it is from. This is a significant size pin, but what's the deal with the gearbox now? Does it work? It's going only one way. I have to investigate. Is this really that kind of gearbox? But at least it's turning now. Where could this have come from? No. No. There's a pin over there. Yeah. Tell me, where is this from? The return is normally here, so it doesn't work now. Okay, there's a first gear, neutral, second gear. It seems to be working. But we have a mystery pin in our hands. Do we have any idea from here? This has been here just trading. Yeah, let's measure this. So it's 30 millimeters by 8. 30 by 8. 30 by 8 pin was the block jamming the gear selector. Yeah. That is a huge find, I would say. Okay, this was very productive day. And messy also. Let's clean some of our mess. So, the gear selector was jammed with that pin, which is a mystery pin. We don't know where that is from yet, but we will find out. Hopefully it's nothing important. Yeah. But with this, I think I will be happy to go to the cottage and spend Easter over there. And now I know that I don't need to order any specific parts for the gear selector shaft or whatever you call it. I can pretty much put that back together and put oil in. After I check the source of the pin. Yeah. Happy. See you next time. Bye.